Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss about quaternion group Q8. Quaternion group Q8 contains just 8 elements and the elements are plus minus 1, plus minus I, plus minus j and plus minus k. Here 1 is the identity element and the operations are defined as I dot I equal to minus 1, j dot j, k dot k equal to minus 1 and I dot j equal to k, j dot k equal to I and k dot I equal to j. These operations are similar as vector product of two vectors. If I, j, k are three unit vectors along the coordinate axis, then we know that I cross j equal to k, j cross k equal to I and k cross I equal to j. And in reverse order, j cross I equal to minus k and so on. So these operations are same as this. Okay. So similarly, j dot I equal to minus k, k dot j equal to minus I and I dot k equal to minus j. Now look at composition table. Here, since 1 is the identity element, so if we multiply all of these elements by 1, then they will remain unchanged. Now if we multiply these elements by minus 1, then this row will be this. Okay. Now for I dot 1 equal to I dot minus 1 minus I dot I minus 1 and I dot minus I is 1. Okay. Now I dot j is defined as k. Similarly, I dot minus j is minus k. Now I dot k minus j, I dot minus k, j. Okay. Now for minus I, j dot 1, j minus j, j dot I minus k and j dot minus I, k, j dot j minus 1, j dot minus j 1, j dot k I and it is minus I. For minus j, they will be similar with a negative sign. Okay, this is the composition table, and from composition table it is clear that Q8 is a group since closure, associative, inverse property and identity element all exist. Here I dot minus I equal to 1. Okay, I dot minus I equal to 1. Similarly, j dot minus j equal to 1 and k dot minus k equal to 1. So, I inverse equal to minus I. J inverse is the minus J and K inverse is minus K, which are all belongs to Q8. Okay. Now tell me whether it is abelian group or not. It is not abelian group, since I dot j equal to k and j dot I equal to minus k. So I dot j is not equal to j dot I. So it's not commutative, and therefore Q8 is not abelian group. Okay. And since it is not abelian group, so it is not cyclic also, because we know that every cyclic group is abelian, and since it is not abelian, so it's not cyclic. Now we have to find the order of the elements of the group. Since one is identity element, so order of 1 is 1, order of minus 1 is 2. Since 2 is the least positive integer, for which minus 1 square is 1. And order of I is 4, because I dot I, that means I square equal to minus 1, and from this we can say that I to the power 4 is 1, where 4 is the least positive integer, for which I to the power 4 equal to 1. So order of I is 4. Similarly, it can be shown that order of minus I is also 4, and order of j, minus j, k, minus k, all are of 4. Okay. So order of this element is 8, since it contains 8 elements. So order of Q8 is 8, and order of its elements are 1, 2 and 4, which are the divisors of 8. We know that order of every elements of a group is the divisor of the order of group, and this property is satisfied here. Okay. Now we have to find the subgroups of Q8. Subgroups of Q8. Okay. So subgroup generated by 1 is 1, since 1 is identity element. So 1 to the power n such that n belongs to Z is 1. The subgroup generated by 1 is 1. Subgroup generated by minus 1 is minus 1 and minus 1 square 1. And subgroup generated by I is I square, I cube, and I to the power 4 equal to 1. Since order of I is 1, so I to the power 4 equal to 1, that means I to the power 5 is equal to I to the power 6 equal to I square, and so on. So this subgroup just contains these 4 elements. That means the group generated by I is I square minus 1, I cube minus I, and I to the power 4 is 1. Okay. This I is not the complex number I. Okay. This I is defined as just I dot I equal to minus 1. Again, order of j, this is similar. Order of the subgroup generated by j is 1 minus 1 j minus j, and subgroup generated by k is also 1 minus 1 k minus k. Okay. Now since I inverse equal to minus I, so this subgroup is generated by I, and it is also generated by minus I also. Since we know that if A is the generator of a group, then A inverse is also a generator. Similarly, this is generated by minus j and this is generated by minus k also. Okay. Now we can say that Q8 has these subgroups and Q8 is also a subgroup of itself, because we know that every group is a subgroup of itself. So Q8 has these 6 subgroups. Okay. Now let us find out the order of the subgroups. Here, order of this subgroup generated by 1 is 1, since it contains just one element. Its order is 2, and the order of these subgroups are 4. This all contains 4 elements. And order of Q8 is also a subgroup of Q8. Order of Q8 is 8. So all the subgroups are of order of the form 2 to the power k, where k is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here 1 is 2 to the power 0, it is 2 to the power 1, 2 square, and it is 2 cube. So all the subgroups, order of all subgroups is of the form 2 to the power k. And this is why Q8 is called 2 group. Now I want to tell you what is 2 group. In fact, what is P group? Okay. P group. For P group, P must be a prime number. So let P be a prime number. Now a group G composed is said to be P group if order of every subgroup of G composed is of the form P to the power k, where k is 0 or any positive integer. Okay. Order of every subgroup of G composed is of the form P to the power k. Then G composed is called P group. Now here order of every subgroups of Q8 is of the form 2 to the power k, and this is why we can say that Q8 is a 2 group.